Hi everyone, welcome to my fall DIY decor mini series. This is part 3 in the 3-part series. I am Ann from Annmakes and welcome into my kitchen. And if you are new here, why don't you subscribe so we can be subby friends? And you do that by clicking on the subscribe button below or on the Annmakes in the corner of the screen there. Don't forget to click on that bell till it jiggles so YouTube can notify you whenever I post new content. So today it is part 3. It is the final part of our mini series for the DIY fall decor. And I'm going to share with you just how easy it is to make these really inexpensive and, might I say, very cute little pumpkins. All it takes is some dollar store washcloths, some pieces of stem, some wires, a little greenery, some stuffing, and you're all set. Here's a video to show you just how easy it is to put together. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and hopefully you've watched 1 and 2 of this DIY fall decor series. And if you haven't, please follow the links below or in the cards up in the corner of the screen there. And let me know what you think, and let me know how you are decorating for fall if you are. And please give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Please share, please comment. And don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, stay crafty. Thanks for watching. Bye.